Hi there YouTubers, welcome back to my channel, Workshop Fun. Today I'd just like to quickly talk about a neat little upgrade I've done. So I've had this wire wheel for a while now, and I built the stand. I think I did that like 2 years ago now, and ever since then I have used this thing heaps. Now originally I put this neat little repulsion induction Sentry motor in it. Here you go, I'll bring you around to the back of it where you can sort of see the neat label and all of that. This is a really neat little motor, but I just found it excuse me, a bit underpowered for this application. It wasn't that hard to bog it down, unfortunately. So now I've got this big beast in here. It's a Leland 1 horsepower 1425 RPM 4-pole motor. It's a repulsion induction, but it's a bit different to other repulsion inductions. I'm not too sure how to explain it, but yeah, they are a bit different to your normal repulsion induction, and I've always sort of wanted to get one of these. They're a Canadian built motor, so you know, very robust, and even just at the back here, the vent, they're quite different. And the same with up front, there's a big vent like that. Sort of almost reminds me of Darth Vader when you look at the back of it. Now, having the 1 horse in over the half horse is just a night and day difference. The half horse used to bog down quite easy. So all I had to do to get this motor in was pretty darn easy. So it comes out the back of the stand a bit more. So I just added this little wooden block onto the back here, and then that was it. Pretty much bolted it right on in, and just put the same pulley on that I had on this little motor, and Bob's your uncle, all going. So I think it took me about 3 hours, and most of that was falling around trying to get the pulley off and onto this one, and the original pulley off this one. That took probably the most time. I didn't bother repainting this motor or anything like that. It's already actually in really good order. I had a quick look in the inside, and that's all in good order. Like, I didn't pull it apart, I just pulled the back cap off here and just had a little look through the front here. It all seems really good, so I'm not going to touch it. It's going good, and yeah, why bother? It looks sort of pretty much matchy I guess with the current setup, so yeah, that's good. So I'll give you guys a quick demo. I'm sure plenty of you have seen a wire wheel in action, but yeah, it's, you know, always worth having a nosy. Right, so this is a torch fitting that I've used lots, and it's got a bit rusty, so I thought, hey, I'll give this a clean up as a demo. Now, just a word of precaution with these wire wheels: always wear a safety visor. Right, there you go. Already a lot cleaner. These wire wheels are just fantastic. Now, my preference is to, with my wire wheel, some people may not like to agree with this idea, but when I set my wire wheel up, I also put this knock bar in. So what that does especially now with the 1 horsepower, to me it's even more important. But it just stops. If this got, say, ripped out of my hand and flung around, it just stops it from coming around and hitting you in the face or whatever, and could save a severe injury. So that's my bias, but I have heard of numerous cases where people have been injured, or even had their arm shattered by using these things. So yeah. Okay then, thank you very much for watching. Bye.